Yo, what's good, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. And as you can see, we got the Z back. I got a Action Stage 3 clutch, as you can see from the title. And she's driving literally perfect. And she looks perfect, like, oh my God. Let me, I'm gonna do like a little POV drive and just kind of like explain what happened to my old Stage 2 clutch. And on like a little side note, I hate that I don't have like a little like fob to like unlock the car, like with a little button. I have to do this like with the key every single time. And so, but let me put y'all on the little mount. Oh, unless, wait, hold up. It's not really a cold start, but little something. Alrighty, guys. Excuse my windshield wiper in the back. It be making so much noise. But so pretty much just like to give like a little rundown. I picked up this car in May, like the end of May of this year. So like pretty much like June. And I had it for like 3 weeks or so. And I was doing a pull. Like I was doing it was a 2-3, then a 3-4 pull. And on the 3-4 shifts, my stock clutch, the like clutch disc, just like split in 3 pieces. Like I'll put like a little like picture right here of it. But yeah, no, it was it was crazy. And then so I got a Stage 2 clutch. I think it was called like Clutch Max. It was like, yeah, I think it was called like Clutch Max kit from like, it was like an eBay kit. And like that literally would have been fine, but since it was a Stage 2 clutch and like the clutch disc, it has like a Kevlar like material. So with that, like that type of material, you need to break in the clutch like I think it said like 1,000 miles, but I only did like 500 or so. And so then I started ripping on it. And then right when I started ripping on it, like I did like maybe five-ish pulls. And like on like the last pull, and again on the 3-4 shift, it like the clutch disc blew. So I have a Stage 3 Action clutch. It's a 6-plug clutch. And I don't know if y'all can see, but let me change it. So I'm at almost 1,500 miles on this clutch, and I haven't done. I did a 3rd gear pull, but like that I only did 1 pull so far. So I'm taking this clutch like I'm taking it really easy on the clutch. But also I took like road trip to New York, so that was about like 800 miles, but it was mostly highway, so I don't really count that. So I'll probably get to like 1,500 exactly. I'm at 1,462, so I'll probably get to 1,500 exactly, and then I'll start ripping on it. But it literally feels like stock, like the clutch feel. Like it's actually crazy. Like the Stage 2 felt way heavier than the Stage 3. So I highly recommend this clutch. And like it grabs so aggressively, but like you can drive it really smooth. It just grabs. It has a stock like engagement feel, so it grabs like right at the top of the clutch. And so like once you just learn how to be smooth with it, like you'll pretty much master it. Like I'm still kind of getting used to taking off with the clutch, but once you like get started, like it's chilling. But let me I'll pull over into like a little space and like walk over the car with y'all. So I'll be right back. All right, I pulled over into like a little park, but we out with the Z. But you can hear like the little like clutch chatter a little bit, but it's honestly not that bad, to be honest. Like you can't really notice it like that. And like on takeoff, you get like a little bit of chatter. It's like a little like it's kind of like just like hearing like a metal like grinding like sensation. But other than that, like she's perfect. Oh, I got my customized license plate. Y'all like the plate frame? But yeah, I just been just taking her, like literally ever since I got it back like last or 2 weeks ago. I've literally drove it every single day. Like it's not a single day I went without not driving this car. I just can't get enough. But yeah. All right, I don't know how I forgot to mention this, but I cannot thank my guy Joseph enough for doing all this work. He literally changed my clutch 3 different times. He dropped the whole transmission 3 different times in a span of like a month and a half or like a month. It was something crazy, but I cannot like thank him enough for doing this. And he did at such a great price. Like he will be the only person to touch my Z, and I swear by it. I'll like put his Instagram right here for y'all to like see his work. He has a 350Z that's boosted, and it is nasty. So, but yeah, back to the video. Literally just like a little update video just to show y'all that I got the Z back. And my next video should be a car meet that I went to. Then after that, I'm gonna put on my big ass single axle exhaust. So we should be sounding way better than just like the little muffler delete I have right now. But alright, I appreciate y'all for watching video. Leave a like, subscribe, and stay tuned for the next video. Peace.